I'm going to be opening up 3 of the blind bags for the Puppet Kingdom foxes. Start with the first bag. So these bags are supposed to have 3 different foxes in each bag. There's a little pull tab on the back. Oops. And this one looks like it was all pink foxes in this bag. There's like pink and yellow, a pink with green tips on it, and a pink with a green tail. Getting them out of the plastic so there's like a better view. That one. I like this one's tail. It looks like it's got like a pearlescent look to it, and the little green sort of like berries. I don't know what they're supposed to be. That's what it kind of looks like to me. It's like berries in a bush or something on the tail. I like that one a lot out of these 3 pink ones. And this one reminds me of like a strawberry lemonade kind of look, where it's got pink with the yellow. It's got a yellow on all the tips of it. Tail is bright yellow. Very cute. Okay, oops. Opening the second box, or as it's called, a bag. We've got gray and pink, bluish gray and pink, and then, ooh, the dark red. Okay, so the dark red one is, I think, one of my favorite ones out of all of the different possible foxes. I think there's like, there might be 9 or even more different foxes. But yeah, this one was the one I wanted the most. And I love this one's color. What can I say? Here's the sort of a blue-gray. And then the tail is fully see-through with like purpley kind of color there to match the same purpley color on the all the little tips. This gray one is pretty cute too. And it's gray with some sort of like pinkish, reddish tips, and then the tail's fully opaque pink with green, and the collar too has pink along the edges. And then this one's cute, goes with all these different pink ones. And then this, opening the third box, I'm surprised, but also glad I haven't gotten any repeating ones yet. And I would love it if I still get different ones. I don't know. It looks like I've got another whole bag of pink ones. And probably all, yeah, it's all the same pinks as the first round. But I'm glad that I got 3 different containers instead of just 2 or something. Here we go. So they can be mix and match, which is another nice thing about this little series. Oof, though I think it comes pretty stuck on there. There we go. So the heads just pop off. I'm grabbing so that my fingernails aren't scraping it. The edges. But yeah, the collar should come off too. It's a little hard on there, it seems. Okay, so the collars do come off. It's just kind of hard. It takes some prying since there's this little tab here that goes into the neck. But then that's all the pieces for that one. And then this pink and yellow one was much easier to take apart. It just kind of, it was already even falling apart, like the tail just popped right out. The lighting in here isn't great, but it is cute to see like all the little details. Like this collar is a pale yellow compared to like this white one. You can see that difference with them right up next to each other. And then here's the pink and yellow and pink and green with their little collars and tail switch for an example of some of that mixing and matching. Although these, since they're already pretty similar, it's not so strikingly obvious how that whole look can be done. Or how that stands out, you know, in a unique way. And then here's also the side of the package that shows, the side of the package shows all the different possible foxes to get. And there's one rare, the chaser is like an all golden fox. But here's all the ones. I think they do tend to come the same 3 in each bag. So like where I got the one that was all pink ones, I think that's like kind of a regular thing, is then there'll be all those 3 pink in the same bag. And so then the ones I didn't get were the green one, the it's a little hard to tell, maybe both of these purple? Wait, oh, the green, this red and green, and yeah, one of the purples. Yeah, I think the blue-gray one is blue-grayish purple, is maybe supposed to be this one. So I think green, this one, and this one are the ones I didn't get. Which I also love this one. This is the one that's on the front, another red one, red with the green. I think that's really cute. I like the 2 red colored foxes because they look the most like an actual fox, and I like that. And so maybe if I get more, I'll try to trade for the red one. Well, thanks for watching, and if there's a favorite one that you had, I'd love to hear about that in the comments or any other thoughts you have. All right, thanks.